Ever felt that thrill of finding the perfect dropshipping products on Oberlo, picturing them flying off your virtual shelves, only to slam into a brick wall of legal jargon? You're not alone. So, the burning question is, before you even think about clicking that Import to Store button on Oberlo, do you actually need a business license? It's a question that often gets lost in the excitement of starting an online business. We see the sleek Shopify stores, the enticing product photos, and the stories of overnight success. What we don't always see are the crucial foundational steps, the less glamorous but absolutely vital aspects like understanding your legal obligations. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start putting up walls without a solid foundation, would you? Similarly, in the world of e-commerce, and especially when you're leveraging platforms like Oberlo to source products, understanding the legal landscape is your foundation. Ignoring it can lead to serious headaches down the line: fines, legal battles, even having to shut down your hard-earned business. Now, let's be clear. The answer to whether you need a business license isn't a simple yes or no. It's more of a "it depends" situation, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. The first thing to understand is that business license requirements vary significantly based on a few key factors. The most important of these is your location. Where are you physically located and operating your business from? Different countries, states, provinces, and even cities have their own specific rules and regulations. What might be perfectly acceptable to do without a specific license in one jurisdiction could be a major violation in another. For example, if you're operating from Nigeria, the specific regulations and requirements set forth by the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, will apply. You'll likely need to register your business name or incorporate a company depending on the scale and structure of your operations. Ignoring these requirements could lead to penalties and legal complications. Similarly, if you're based in the United States, the rules will differ from state to state and even city to city. You might need a general business license, a sales tax permit, or even specific licenses depending on the types of products you're selling. Selling food items, for instance, will have much stricter licensing requirements than selling t-shirts. Another crucial factor is the nature of your business. What exactly are you selling through your Oberlo-powered store? Are you selling physical products, digital goods, or services? Certain types of goods and services are more heavily regulated than others. As mentioned earlier, products related to health, food, or finance often come with stricter licensing and compliance requirements. For instance, if you plan on dropshipping supplements or beauty products that make specific health claims, you'll likely need to adhere to regulations set by bodies like the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC) in Nigeria or the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in the United States. Failing to do so can have severe legal consequences. Furthermore, the structure of your business plays a role. Are you operating as a sole proprietor, a partnership, a limited liability company, LLC, or a corporation? Each structure has different legal and tax implications, and some might necessitate specific registrations or licenses. For example, forming an LLC or a corporation typically involves a more formal registration process with the relevant government agencies. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm just dropshipping. I don't even handle the products directly. While it's true that dropshipping simplifies the logistics of inventory and shipping, it doesn't exempt you from your legal obligations as a business owner. You are still engaging in the act of selling goods to consumers, and therefore, you are subject to the laws and regulations governing sales in your jurisdiction and potentially the jurisdiction of your customers. So, what practical steps can you take to figure out the specific licensing requirements for your Oberlo dropshipping venture? First and foremost, research your local and national government websites. These are the official sources of information regarding business registration and licensing. Look for sections related to starting a business, small business resources, or commercial regulations. Secondly, consider consulting with a legal professional or a business advisor. While online research can be helpful, a lawyer or a business consultant specializing in e-commerce can provide tailored advice based on your specific situation. They can help you navigate the complexities of business law and ensure you're fully compliant. Thirdly, don't overlook the requirements of payment processors and e-commerce platforms. While Oberlo itself focuses on product sourcing, the platforms you use to process payments, like PayPal, Stripe, etc., and your e-commerce platform, like Shopify, may have their own terms and conditions, which could indirectly touch upon the legality of your business operations. Fourthly, be aware of sales tax regulations. Depending on your location and where your customers are located, you might be obligated to collect and remit sales tax. This often requires obtaining a sales tax permit or registration. Ignoring these crucial steps can lead to a host of problems. Imagine investing time and money into building your dream online store, only to receive a cease and desist letter or face fines because you didn't obtain the necessary licenses. It's a setback that can be easily avoided with a little upfront due diligence. Think of obtaining the right business licenses and permits not as a hurdle, but as an investment in the long-term success and stability of your business. It provides legitimacy, builds trust with your customers, and protects you from potential legal issues. While the world of online business offers incredible opportunities, it's essential to approach it with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to operating legally. Don't let the excitement of finding those winning products overshadow the importance of building a solid legal foundation for your Oberlo dropshipping venture. Take the time to do your research, seek professional advice when needed, and ensure you have the necessary licenses and permits in place. It's a crucial step towards turning your e-commerce dreams into a sustainable reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.